This is the guidance support film to support the overview homework for understanding the basic information required about the Hindu faith. Firstly, I'd like to know how many Hindus there are in the world. And I'd like to know how many Hindus there are in the United Kingdom as part of our process of understanding our multicultural society. Moving on, I would like to know the name of one country where Hinduism is the major or one of the principal religions, and I'd like two other countries where there are significant numbers of Hindu people living. For each I'd like a flag, a present leader and a past leader to link with our understanding of the work undertaken by our colleagues in geography and history as part of the humanities. And on that point, we have to get into the habit in the humanities of providing information on where our evidence comes from. I'd like this followed up by an internet search. Please type in Hinduism in Plymouth in your search engine, and I'd like the contents of the first page at least to be looked into, and I would like students to interpret these website hits and tell me what they can about the role of Hinduism in our local community. Moving on, we've got some information here about the Hindu faith and a brief introduction to some of the principal gods. Down here, I'd like an image of each of these gods. And in the table underneath, I would like to know a little bit more about these other Hindu gods, providing the information in the table. And as an extension task here, students can edit in an additional third column or provide me information on what these gods look like. Again, I'd like to know where this information comes from. Some information here on the symbol, and I'd like students to provide me with that symbol and some information on the Holy Book. Then with our other religions that we're studying, I would like to know something here about the festivals, when they are and what in particular is being celebrated on these dates. Again, good habit, tell me where the information comes from.